Just pick up this children magazine from Takara Tomy, which happens to focus on Tomica for this issue. I got this from Kinokuniya Liangcourt, Singapore at 20% off, which sadly is closing its door due to poor sales. And yes, on most occasions, you can find Tomica magazine or books which are directly imported from Japan into Kinokuniya stores. And the sole reason why I purchased this is because it comes with a Tomica diecast, which in this case a police truck. The magazine cover is very eye-catching. Similar to a trading card, it comes with a hologram finish tailored for children. The police truck itself has two features. The satellite dish look alike, which are able to swivel left and right, and also a functional ramp with tow features. Inside it comes with a decal sheet which are great for kids. It features most of the Tomica diecast with the truck as the hero. The content is fantastic, even I'm enjoying it. You can see all the bus and trucks from the Japanese police and various patrol cars worldwide such as the Dubai police, the UK police, USA and more. The casting itself comes in an oversized box which is sandwiched between the magazine. While the box itself is very colorful, it's very appealing to children. It's a HBP06 police truck, which I believe is a fantasy casting. It doesn't feature any Japanese police crest, but instead a PT crest is featured, which I assume it stands for Police Town. Although huge, the casting itself is relatively light. It has a lot of plastic parts. And here you go, the swivel satellite dish, which I assume it will appeal to children but not me. And now let's try towing this Nissan GT-R police casting. The wheels are not aligned correctly to the ram because of the interference here. Let's try again with the Toyota Dyna casting. It also doesn't align accordingly to the ram. But hey, the Dyna truck itself tows the GT-R perfectly. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone, bye!